Hello all, welcome to Awesome Style. This is once again Awesome Style with a new video. Hope you all enjoy my videos. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed yet. And all the lovely subscribers, stay tuned. This video is about gardening and a harvest from our backyard. So you all are welcome to visit our backyard. Please do watch the video with the ads. Here you see the tomatoes, and as I have taken some pictures and videos. So this is the first harvest of the tomatoes of the plants from the backyard. Here you see the tomato plants where I have supported them with the cages. There are two varieties of tomatoes, big tomatoes, regular one, and a small cherry tomatoes. You can see as I will be moving the camera around.
Wow, cherry tomatoes.
It's amazing to have fresh vegetables from your backyard and make the dishes and curries. This is another bowl of cherry tomatoes. Next, we'll be moving to the capsicum, which is also bell pepper. This is the amazing bell peppers which have grown from the seeds. You can see the fresh capsicum bell pepper plant here, and this is the fresh small capsicum which is under the leaf. Hope you're able to see it. Next, we'll be moving towards the green chilies plants, and I got two big green cherry plants where we have a lot of harvest. These green chili plants, they were in the bucket in the last year where I was having my mini garden, and this year I moved them to the ground and they're amazing results. You can see the size of the chilies and such a green darkish one. They taste good too. So here I'm plucking the chilies and see the bunch in my hand. Don't forget to like, comment, share and stay connected as we are having more things in this video coming up. Next you see a curry leaf plant. I did this from a seedling. Next comes the lemon tree. Lemon tree, I bought it from the wholesale store and waiting for the results. There's so many lemons to ripe. Next comes zucchini. This is a zucchini plant which is very healthy. I'm still waiting for this harvest. This is another curry leaf plant. This is the arvi plant which we have to dig underground and the leaves grow up above the ground, and it is also called as taru. Next comes jasmine flowers, and here I'm going to share you the big jasmine plants which I have moved to the ground, and they're really amazing results. They're giving so much flowers, and it's the summer. You see lot of flowers growing around and it smells so good. And next comes the aloe vera. This aloe vera, I moved it this summer from a small pot to a bigger pot, and it has grown like 3 times more bigger. There are great benefits of aloe vera, and this is one another variety of aloe vera which I have.
Like, comment, share. Please.
Last but not the least, this is the olive tree Hope you all like my backyard plants and gardening.
Subscribe Awesome Style.
Allah Hafiz. Bye.